sound of cheerful, bubbly music. Hey everyone, it's Christy Marie. Guess who I met today? It's Potato. He's the friendliest little veggie and he absolutely loves to dance. Look at him go. Whoa, what's happening? Potato is spinning and spinning. 1, 2, 3. Poof, he's turned into a big pile of yummy French fries. Isn't that cool? But wait, there's more. Let's see what happens next. With a little wiggle and a happy jiggle, poof. Now he's a creamy, dreamy cloud of mashed potatoes. Delicious. Did you know potatoes are amazing? They give you lots of energy to run, jump, and play all day long, just like Potato loves to dance. So next time you see a potato, remember the fun and energy packed inside. Thanks for joining our potato party. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun adventures. See you next time. Bye.